Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily recreate the super cute outfit that's been trending. It's like dress over jeans, and it's kind of like a baby doll like dress shirt type of thing. So I'm just going to show you guys where you can get this dress in Dress to Impress. It is a secret item. It's not the newest, but just in case you missed it, this is what the dress looks like. If you want to have this kind of cute outfit, you are just going to go next to this set here. If you look under like the pot, there will be the dress here. You're able to put patterns, you're able to change colors if you'd like to. And it is really cute. I actually really like this dress. And you can have like this sort of jean dress moment as well. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!